Hello, it's Mr. Robs.
And Mr. Curvis?
Today we're actually going to find the x-intercepts. Okay, so what are x-intercepts? In the first place is what you might want to think about. Well, in x-intercepts, we often have graphs, right? So here's our graph. And we can have all kinds of lines that go through. This could be a line, and this could be another line. And I'm going to move this red line a little bit. I could have a purple line. Okay, so now as you look through this graph there, I have all these values here, all my x-intercepts, where it crosses the x-axis. If we do some estimating, do you know what that coordinate point would be there, Mr. Curvis?
Maybe -2, 0?
Okay, -2, 0. What might this one be?
3, 0?
How about the green line?
5, 0.
Do you notice something special about all three of those points?
They have prime x-intercepts.
That's true. Do you notice anything else?
They all have a 0 for the y coordinate.
Right. The y value is 0. And that's what's special about x-intercepts. The y value is 0. And you have to make that conscious choice and decision that, oh, x-intercept, y equals 0. That's not something that's going to be told you. You have to make that choice yourself. That's the thinking part. So let's try an actual example. So here we have a problem. We want to find the x-intercept of this linear function. If I want to find the x-intercept, what do I do with y?
I set it to 0.
0. Great. And so we plug it in. So I go 2x minus 5. We plug in 0 for our y value. And then we go and we solve here. So 2x minus 0 is 0 equals -12 divided by 2, and I get x to be -6. And so my x-intercept is -6, 0.
Ah, cool.
Okay, let's take a look at one more example here. Here is a table of values for another linear function.
That's not an equation.
And it's not an equation. And I still want to find the x-intercept, though. What are we going to do for that?
Well, let's identify the y values and search for a 0 there.
Right, so y equals 0. If I look at all here, there is where y is 0. And so the x-intercept is 2, 0.
Excellent. So we can find them from an equation, a graph, or a table.
Exactly.